Alright guys, Samsung refrigerator. The fresh food section, these drawers, they get really crappy dirty, and sometimes you need to be able to take these apart to actually clean them. Bad design if you ask me, and if you have a new fridge, I'll show you how to take it apart. You gotta be really careful because the plastic is super brittle. It will snap easily, but as you can see, all this crap is underneath. It's so hard to clean unless you actually take them apart. So follow along and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so this is a thumbtack tack removing tool. A tiny flat blade screwdriver will work, or a tiny putty knife. But the trick is you have to be super careful when you lift these tabs. They can snap, they will snap, so be super careful. So you have tab here, there, and there, and you kind of have to do them in tandem. You can't just pry on one too much, otherwise you'll end up snapping the plastic. This plastic is super brittle, be super careful. So hopefully we can get this one off without damaging it. I'm going to start under this lip here first. And don't get too excited and want to just start prying. You can't. You will end up snapping it. Patience, guys, patience. And you can also go along and loosen. Sometimes when you have a lot of stuff, it gets brittle and it gets super tacky. So you want to make sure you spray under there nice and well. Otherwise, it will be like a glue holding it. So you want to make sure that you have it nice where it's not too tacky. You almost could use something skinnier than this as well. That's what I used on the last one. Worked out just fine. But this one is actually being a little more difficult, but take your time with it. Yeah, you know what I should do now? We're gonna get something under here and then move along almost like little shims. This one is being super difficult. Here, pause. Yeah, you want to also put some pressure, just a little bit of pressure, guys, right where it connects. It helps to get the tabs over. And be super careful because they will snap, I tell you. There we go. All right, I think we got it without breaking it. So, and once you're done, I would make sure it's nice and dry once you clean it, and put a layer of silicone along the edges so this will not happen again. So I'm gonna take it off. Again, you lift up. You can see how dirty these things are. Now you have a second layer that you need to get out, which is this white piece. And held in place, you have one tab there. And also a tab up here, up top. And guys, you gotta be super careful because you'll get this side out and then the other side snap in, so be careful. If you have little tabs or paper, cardboard, stick it right there and that will stop it from going back in. Just a little pointer. So you're not going back and forth fighting with this thing. Or have someone hold it for you, and then that's it. There we go. All right, now it's time to clean. And so we're gonna put it back together. Pretty straightforward after it's nice and clean. As you can see, big difference. So this is the bottom section of the drawer. This guy will go up top, snaps in. After it's nice and clean, you can reinstall. Now you want to start with the top. There are two tabs and they slide in. And once it's in, turn it over and you basically just push down. Snaps. All right. Make sure they clip in, and that's it. Nice and clean. Thanks for watching.